morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be studying about verbs. See, what are verbs? Verbs are action doing words are known as verb. Writing, reading, speaking, doing your homeworks, and right, wondering, whatever activity that you are doing, whatever actions you are doing, it is known as verb. So let's just begin with this verb. So the title of our chapter is the verb, right? You have to write the actions that you did yesterday, जो भी आपने कल किया. You all have to write your actions on your own in these blanks. Now just read and understand. He goes there daily. वो वहाँ पे रोज जाता है. She stitches her clothes. वो अपने clothes को खुद stitch करती है. These plants they flourish in a damp climate. मतलब in a damp climate मतलब थोड़े गीले climate में वो जो plants हैं वो क्या करते हैं, grow करते हैं. We walked in the rain. हम बारिश में हमने walk किया. So in the above sentences जो colored word है जैसे कि goes, stitches, flourish, walked, all are these verbs, right? And these verbs say something about the subject और वो subject के बारे में कुछ बोलती हैं. So verb is mainly what? It's a doing word, right? And it says that somebody or something does an action. किसी ने कुछ ना कुछ action किया and such a verb is known as action verb. और इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Action verb कहते हैं. Now words like be verbs पढ़ी है हमने. Is, are, am, was, were and have मतलब has, have, had. They also included in the verbs. ये भी verbs में आती है. Because they tells us what somebody or something is being or it has possession, right? She is a beautiful girl. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर सी लड़की है. This is a state of being beautiful, right? My auntie has a pet dog. This is a possession of a pet dog कि उनके पास एक pet dog है, right? A verb is not always one word. It often consists of more than one word. हमेशा more than one word रहता है. जैसे these boys are playing football. आप देखिए ये be verb है और ये verb है. It has been raining for 2 hours. 2 घंटे हो गए हैं और बारिश हो रही है. So thus we can say a word which is used to express an action, state or possession उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Verb बोलते हैं. What are the objects of verb? Objects क्या होते हैं जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं. Some verbs have object. After them you just read the following sentences. The children eat what? Children क्या खाते हैं? Now this sentence is incomplete. ये incomplete sentence है. You will definitely want to know कि बच्चे क्या खाते हैं? What children eat? So the verb eat should be followed by some word. कुछ word से follow होना चाहिए so that it can make a complete sense. So we can write this sentence as the children eat food. बच्चे खाना खाते हैं, right? Thus these verb they need some words. कुछ word चाहिए होते हैं जिससे कि वो complete sense कर सके sentence का. So words that are added to the nouns and they make complete sense उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Objects बोलते हैं. Now in the above sentences, what do you eat? What do the children eat? They eat food, right? Therefore food is the object of the kind of the verb that is eat, right? Now comes to its kinds of verb. So the verb, they are of 3 types. Over here they are it's transitive verb, intransitive and verbs of incomplete prediction. Incomplete prediction means जो पहले से चीजों को आप predict नहीं कर सकते. Now just read and understand. We eat apples. हम apples खाते हैं. The baby laughed. बच्चा laugh कर रहा है, right? Now in the first sentence जो verb ate है which requires an object, जिसको एक object चाहिए, that is apples to complete its sense and it is known as transitive verb. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Transitive verb. Second sentence में जो verb laugh है उसको कोई नहीं चाहिए object. Do not require any object but it makes a complete sense, good and a complete sense by itself. So such a verb is known as intransitive verb. This means कि जिसके अंदर object की जरूरत रहती है that is a transitive verb, whereas जिसके अंदर object की जरूरत नहीं रहती है उसको हम intransitive verb बोलते हैं. Therefore, it is clear that transitive verb requires the object to complete its sense, right? On the other hand, intransitive verb do not require any subjects to make a complete sense, right? You just read this difference. This is a transitive verb, whereas this is an intransitive verb, right? Now, the boy flies his kite. अपनी kite जो है वो क्या करता है? उड़ाता है. The child sleeps. The driver stopped the bus, whereas birds fly, right? So we can use these verb either transitive or of course as intransitive. देखिए, I feel a severe pain in my eyes. मेरे को अपनी आंखों में दर्द हो रहा है. How do you feel? This is intransitively, right? The pilot flies the helicopter. Pigeons fly high in the sky. Now the girls are playing tennis, whereas girls are playing in the field. The storm sank the boat. The boat sank deeply in the river. River में डूब गई. The ass kicked the boy, and this ass always kicks, right? Now, what are the verbs of incomplete prediction? You just read the following sentences. Birds fly करती हैं and the girl, it seems to be nice, right? So in the sentence to birds fly or seems है, of course they are incomplete verbs हैं. The first sentence जो birds fly हैं, they make complete sense, right? Now in the second sentence जो verb है, it seems to have require a word जिसको हम क्या require कर रहे हैं, nice, to make its complete sense. So such a verb, it is known as verb of incomplete prediction, right? Now the word nice which completes the sense, nice अपने आप में complete कर रहा है, and therefore it is known as the complement of the verb. जैसे कि birds fly, आप देखिए एक subject है, verb है. The girl seems to be nice. Now this is the subject verb and this is the complement of the verb. आपने verb की quality बता दी है यहाँ पे, right? So there is a short recap that a word which is used to express an action, state or possession, उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, verb बोलते हैं. Verbs are of three types: transitive, intransitive, and verb of incomplete prediction, right? And transitive verbs requires an object to complete its meaning. Moving on to the exercise, a verb always tells an action, both action possession का भी बताता है और state का भी बताता है. It's both. The verbs are of dash types, three types. Transitive verbs को object चाहिए रहता है, right? And verb of incomplete prediction, of course, it needs to have a complement. Now complete the following sentences by appropriate objects. अब हम अपनी मर्जी से लगाएंगे. She wrote neatly. वो साफ लिखती है, right? The carpenter made the box, or you can say made the racks of kitchen, right? The hunter killed the lion. The sun gives us heat and of course light. The gardener watered the plants. उन्होंने plants को पानी डाला, okay? Now the police arrested the thief. The naughty boy broke the glass. उसने कांच को तोड़ दिया. She ate food. I met her. My elder brother bought shoes for me. Right? So that was all about verbs. I hope you all understood about verbs, and make sure while reading, if you came across any other word, any words that are verbs, then please just mark it down, underline it, and just write in your respective notebooks. And please keep revising each day and stay blessed. Thank you.